The Chocolate Lovers Festival is being held on Saturday, February 4th and Sunday, February 5th. We will be opening up the historic courthouse on just Saturday, February 4th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and all events here will be free and open to the public. The historic courtroom will be the sponsor of 2 mock trials that day, and our mock trials are based on fairy tales. Now we do that so children of all ages can participate and adults of all ages can participate. This year we're doing Little Miss Muffet versus the Village of Treetops, and it's a civil lawsuit based on the injuries sustained by Little Miss Muffet when she sat on the tuffets in the park in the Village of Treetops. We also have another event in this historic courtroom on that Saturday, and it's So You Think You're Smarter Than a Lawyer. We have contestants in the audience that are given a series of questions, and we have a panel of 5 very highly skilled attorneys who will answer those questions. Each attorney gives a different answer. Now the contestants have to decide which attorney has the correct answer. But the questions are based on peculiar laws, not only in Virginia, but throughout the United States. Now we have other events here at the courthouse, including fingerprinting by the Sheriff's Department, and we have the archives that will be open. We will have tables set up with information from many of our advocacy groups of the courthouse and advocacy groups of the city of Fairfax and the county of Fairfax. Well, this is a great way to start off the anniversary of this county of Fairfax because we are in one of the oldest and most historic buildings. This building was built in 1799 and served as the seat of government for Fairfax. So this will be a great place to start off the 275th anniversary, and I hope that more events will be here later on in the year. Residents can go to the City of Fairfax website, www.fairfaxva.gov, and under the Parks and Recreations menu, they can find out all of the events that will take place for the Chocolate Lovers Festival on both Saturday, February 4th and Sunday, February 5th.